Welcome to Tutoring Center Operations and our first module in onboarding. The first module is a big picture overview of the work that happens at the front desk and behind the scenes to support tutoring services. Later modules will walk through specific tasks step by step, such as scheduling appointments, marking attendance, starting virtual appointments, and using Salesforce. But for now, the goal is to understand why this work matters and where you find help when you need it. So we're starting with what the tutoring center supports and what we do in the big picture. So students may come to the tutoring center for many different reasons. Some students know exactly what course they need help with, and others might just know that they're struggling and they need some support. Part of the front desk and operations role is helping students get connected to the right services or resource. The onboarding packet includes procedures related to the front desk and support. Also, there's information about Salesforce scheduling, appointment attendance, how to do a virtual appointment, how we function in the math lab, instructions on how to use the phone, and then other online tutoring resources. So we also want to focus on scheduling our appointments correctly and then taking attendance when the students come in or if they don't show up to an appointment. So scheduling and attendance are not just clerical tasks. It affects the students, the tutors, the staff in the tutoring department, and department reporting. If an appointment is scheduled incorrectly, a student may go to the wrong location, a tutor may not know that they have an appointment, or the department might not have an accurate record of the support provided. The packet, the onboarding packet, specifically reminds front desk staff to check Salesforce for appointments, confirm whether appointments are in person or virtual, and then make sure that the attendance is updated for scheduled appointments. So front desk work impacts, impacts students, tutors, and the reporting that we do. A front desk interaction might seem small, but it can affect several parts of the tutoring process. When a student is scheduled correctly, they're more likely to receive support smoothly. When tutors have an accurate appointment with accurate information, they can prepare and stay on schedule. When attendance is marked correctly, staff can understand how services are being used. Good front desk work keeps the whole operation from turning into an administrative mess. So this is a really important slide because it's reminding you where you can find resources if you're not sure what to do when you're working the front desk. The onboarding packet is a key reference, but it's not the only support available. You should also be using the Canvas training modules. There is a binder at the front desk that has tons of really good information. There are Salesforce instructions, and there's updated virtual appointment directions. So an important update is that virtual tutoring appointments are now using Microsoft Teams instead of Zoom like we did in the past. The updated Teams instructions explain how to find the virtual appointment in Salesforce, how to open the Teams link from the appointment description, how to join the meeting and leave the meeting when finished. But it's very important to remember you're not expected to memorize everything that we do at the front desk and how we do it, but you have a lot of resources to help you. And if you're not sure of something, just ask. So this module introduced the purpose of tutoring center operations. The most important things to remember are that this work supports students. It helps tutors stay organized, and it gives staff accurate information about how services are being used. You don't need to memorize every process right away. Please use the reference materials, follow our procedures, and ask for help when something is unclear. Before continuing, complete a short knowledge check that is posted in Canvas. So the knowledge check will review what the tutoring center supports, why scheduling and attendance accuracy matter, how front desk work impacts students and tutors, and where to find reference materials. This knowledge check is not meant to trick you. It's just designed to make sure that the main ideas from this module are clear before moving into step-by-step procedure modules.